Alright guys, well we got a little bit of something different for you here today. We got Mr. Rob over here with the brand new, not really brand new, but brand new in terms of what you guys are used to and I'm used to seeing, Acura Integra Type S. This is basically like a FL5 Type R with the Ricer body kit on it.
The Temu body kit?
Yeah, the Temu body kit, Temu wheels, and a fake carbon.
It's actually real good.
That's plastic. So we got the fake carbon.
Real overlay.
Yeah, real,
Real overlay.
real weave. Yeah. So we're gonna take this thing over to the dyno and we're gonna get a baseline. You got a couple parts on order, so we're gonna baseline it, see what it does, and then go cruise it around. It's a pretty cool car, so figured it'd be something cool for you guys to see, and we can hopefully get an update here in a couple months or something and see what kind of progress we make. But yeah, well, I don't think I've seen it.
A lot to look at, seriously.
No.
As far as wires and such. Plastic and everything else.
Is that the Koenigsegg Ghost?
It is a Koenigsegg Ghost.
That's what I thought.
That whole last one.
Right there.
6 feet. No, it's not. Yeah, it's only 1 feet.
So we need to take the cover off.
Yeah, get number 1.
What did he say?
Yeah.
Rated at? 320?
I think 315.
Pretty good.
What's it supposed to make? Crank?
320 crank and 3 times 4.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty close.
305.
That's pretty damn good, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what is that? 331?
Yeah, that's really good.
It's an interesting curve. Huh.
Do you want to do another one, or do you want to try one different?
We could try another one. We were almost thinking, like, flip the lid open and try and see if that makes any difference.
Sure.
But I don't know. We could try one more and then maybe flip the lid. I don't know how much time you want me to have. I don't want to waste your time.
Let's do one more baseline to make sure it does the same thing, and then if you want to do the lid thing or something, try that. All right.
Yeah. So we can't really change a whole lot. Look at that. We picked up.
20 pounds. That ain't
Huh.
no joke.
That's surprising. I don't think it says that it makes 20 pounds.
20
What's-
pounds of boost.
What's the boost gauge say it makes? Is that right?
I honestly didn't even look. It's supposed to peak at 21.5. Like,
That's
what it is.
exactly what
Yeah.
it did. Okay.
Look.
exactly, yeah. That's spot on. Yeah, they said the first 2,500 of these, they made them a little bit spicier, and then they detuned them with this California.
The tube was blew out of the exhaust.
Yeah, it did.
It's
What?
Let's say it's healthy.
Yeah. So I think, guys, we are going to pull the airbox off and what that does. Just because, why not? I think it might pick up.
You think so?
Yeah.
'Cause that box has got to be pretty damn restricted. With a panel filter on it, you know?
Maybe.
I'm gonna say 6 horsepower, but it runs worse.
Worse. Okay.
But you think we pick up power still?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But I wouldn't be surprised if it idled funny or something.
I think it's gonna idle good. I've done this a lot. Yeah, I think so. I'll be optimistic. I'll say 10 horsepower, and it runs fine. No downsides, I say.
Okay, guess what we're going to do again since I shut the car off.
Yeah, we have to do the pedal dance
And
again.
shut the valve too.
Yeah. All right, you're gonna do it this time.
Okay, I'll do it this time. You have to pull your phone up, I'll do it.
All right, guys, he's gonna do the traction control dance. So you have to turn the e-brake off first. So put your foot on the brake, hold it on the brake,
Okay.
then push and hold traction control. Okay, now push and hold traction control again. Now e-brake on, foot off the brake, push and hold traction control, push and hold traction control. Then hold the brake, push and hold traction control, push and hold traction control. There you
It
go.
works. There you go.
It's
It's really stupid.
really stupid. I think you were right on.
It was more.
One.
Not really.
Yeah, not really.
The green one's a new one, and it was
louder.
it was maybe.
It was a lot louder.
Yeah.
It sounded pretty cool.
Had one little bump, but I don't really count that.
Yeah.
I think overall it might have went down. That's interesting.
Well, what do you think?
Should we fan it?
Sure, why
We
not?
can fan it. Might as well. We're already here.
We're already here, might as well fan it.
All right. The full power. We're gonna get 310 out of it. Nada.
So it's identical.
Well.
Everybody runs the same.
All right. Well, it's really consistent.
Yeah, that's a good thing for when you go to start changing stuff.
Yeah.
You'll know. That's on SAE too. That's not the typical Honda scale.
What's the typical Honda scale?
Standard
Oh, okay.
correction. That'd give you like 3 or 4 more horsepower.
Huh.
What, it was 320?
Yeah, I say 320 and 310 horsepower.
If you had a Chevy in here, so 320, it would show like 250.
Yeah.
Or like Silverado or something. You usually see it at least 20% what it's rated at. On a lot of cars. Some cars are right where they're supposed to be. You done?
That's good.
Easy.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
I think we should go for highest horsepower, period. What is it?
You foot the bill. I think
It can't be that much.
I actually haven't looked. I saw a video the other day, dude, making 821. I don't know.
821?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's a gray FL5. I think his name's Jesus. I just watched it the other day.
Huh.
That had to be a different turbo, right?
Oh, it's all, yeah, everything's different. It's got a built head and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, it's way underrated. And just the torque, so much torque.
Had a very Honda like 3500 PE.
Yeah, right?
Didn't do the pedal dance. I think that partially.
Yeah. The partial dance.
Yeah.
It's not
The
really a
thing is,
dance.
once you put the tune on there, you can
Make it
you can
off.
dial it off.
This is a really nice car.
When you go to jail.
Yeah. I think we should do one to the top of 5th.
Probably not, but maybe.
5th probably goes pretty tall.
Well, that 120 on the dyno wasn't in 4th.
That was in 4th, yeah.
Yeah, so
Probably goes 150 in 5th,
yeah.
I bet.
I think the limiter is 167. That's true.
That's pretty fast. That's limited?
Yeah.
Or is that just
I don't know
all of
if
it?
It might be actually just gear limited at that point.
I was gonna say, that might just be all of it, because that's fast. 167's fast. I got my CL up to probably 159 or something like that. I don't know if it was quite 160. And I was in it for a long time to get there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this, guys. All red, leather, heated seats. I love this design too, like the new Civics and this have. I think that's so nice. That looks way better than anything.
My favorite's the heads-up display. That's my favorite thing.
See it? Oh yeah. It's kind of hard to get on video, but yeah.
Plus the frame rate, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video. Just something. Figured I'd show you guys something cool we got going on. What are your thoughts overall so far?
Happy with the numbers?
Yeah, I was really impressed.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I thought it would be good to break 300 at all, and 308 and 331. The torque is just insane. You can really feel it though. So
The fact that it fries 19s in third gear is a thing.
yeah, I mean, it is cold out.
It is cold, but either way, the fact that
I'm surprised in third. I thought it would in second, but in third. And these are not cheap tires at all. Pilot Sport 4S's. Yeah, we'll be back at some point. He's gonna get some mods in, get an intake, get a downpipe and Flash Pro probably, and we'll get this thing tuned up. I don't see why this thing couldn't pretty easily do like 380, 400. I mean, stock turbo, right?
Yeah, max is stock turbo, then waiting for Precision's new turbo to drop.
Maybe. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we got going on. But yeah, pretty cool overall. So that'll do it for now. We'll be back here soon with a little bit older Integra. Robbie's Integra is coming back, so hopefully we'll have some more Integra content for you guys soon. But that's it for now. So see you guys later.